Good morning. Today is Monday, October 27th, and we are doing our first live stream. So let's go economic calendar right now. Again, the government's still shut down, so there is no economic data until Wednesday. You're going to have Fed funds rate and FOMC statement at 1 o'clock. So that's pretty much it for this week. So everybody's going to be waiting for that number. But on top of that, you have 5 of the Mag 7 reporting this week: Microsoft, Amazon, Meta. Not sure about the other two, but those are going to be moving the market later on. Let's get right into the broader markets here. Broader markets, we have ES, everything is gapping up right now because you had over the weekend some talks about that the U.S.-China tariff deal is getting close to making a deal, but it's almost like buy the rumor and sell the news. So right now we're just waiting to see what happens here. I would see everything gapping up. I think this, in order to take a nice long instead of chasing this up here, I would like to see a pullback down to this level, maybe, Friday's high, which is 68.40 on the ES. I can mark that. And then on the NASDAQ, very similar level there, a pullback to 25,575. But that's a few hundred points lower from where we're gapping up right now. So you got to be careful chasing this right now. I would like to see like maybe the NASDAQ pushing higher into this level here, 69.04 level here, and we can mark that. Before we get a little reaction and pull back on the downside, let's take a look at the 15-minute on this. So this all-time high at 68.1225, I'm now going to change that to a green level. That should be a support level if we pull back into that level. So I'm going to mark that. And then this all-time high here on the NASDAQ, 25,394, that seems like a very, very good pullback level too. If we pull back and we lose this 25,575.09 level. And that's pretty much my thought on the ES. Let's go and look at Tesla. Tesla right now, we're still trading in this range here. This 414 up to this 452 range right now. So I like this 430.07 level. If we hold that level, I think we can push higher. If we lose that, I think we can quickly pull back down to this 415.03 level. You can see we kind of closed the gap already from Friday, from the gap up. But let's just look at 15. So on the 15-minute, let's look at our POC levels. So this 435 is a good level for a pullback. Again, right here, this level 441, 46 level. If we can get a hold above that level, I like that to push higher. We can get rid of this POC level of 445.74. That actually got hit on Thursday. So I'm going to get rid of this level here. So right now, my game plan for today on Tesla looks like this gap closed. I don't know how significant this wick was, but I would like to see a little more pullback on Tesla before we go higher. This 428.30 is still a pretty decent level of support for Tesla. Just below Friday's lows. Let's look at see where we are here. So we're still holding above the 20-day SMA, which is at 438.37. So if we lose that level, I think we pull back to this 435 level. Right now, it's holding it. So you got to pay attention to that level. If we do manage to hold this 428, 438.37 level, then I think then we can move higher. But right now, Tesla is, you got to be careful of Tesla giving back this whole Thursday move that we had here. So I think a key level for Tesla today would be this 433.72. You have to hold that level in order for it to continue to higher. If we lose that level, I think we quickly move back into the FOMC high from September 17th at 428.30. And then if we lose that level right there, I think we're going to give back everything that we gained on that last Thursday and move back down to these new, test these new lows again. Getting into, let's get into the 5-minute opening trade on Friday. We had a really nice 5-minute opening trade on the downside here. So yeah, the range on Friday was 443 on the low, 451.68 on the high. And you could see as we lost that low of 443, the market definitely gave you what you wanted. On the first really strong move on Tesla, you could have gotten about $4 out of it, and then it bounced back here. And this is another trade setup at that 443, pulled back, and you could have gotten another $5 out of that move right there. So there were definitely plenty of trades that were set up on Friday, and we definitely stayed lower on the day. We closed near the lows. So there was some downward pressure right now. So you got to pay attention to that right now. So I would say this morning, I would be careful on the upward move right now, because I think everybody is emotional, thinking that there's going to be the deal is going to be done with China. However, nobody knows the details of this deal. So it's pretty much everybody buying the rumor right now. And so you have to wait to see some concrete data. Anyways, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and join our free Discord community as we try to build a community of trading. I will be, if you go down and you click in the descriptions and you click on the Discord, you can join the community for free. And I will be in the live channel at 8:15, which is going to be the pre-market live channel. And there I will be talking about watching the broader markets and talking about Tesla and identifying when that 5-minute opening range trade is there and when I would typically take it. And of course, you have to do your own homework on things. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. I'm trying to help everybody out. So if there's any questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Other than that, everybody have a great day, and I will see you in the Discord room at 8:15. And if